Home, a story of who we are, where our walls reflect the light of happiness, where every room holds special memories, where the windows are the gateway to opportunities. Let's make this home our sanctuary, our safe space, our abode.
Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I am an interior designer. This is a platform for me to showcase my interior projects, makeovers, and share with you design and decor ideas that you can implement in your homes. So today is the part 3 of a new series that we had started on this channel, which is my minimal, sustainable and Hygge home. So today I will be taking you through my master bedroom. Like I've said in all the other videos itself, my taste or my choice in colors is very plain, very simple, very subdued. So that is something that you will see reflected in my entire house. I also try to keep the decor and everything very minimal because that's something that I really like. I try and use things which are made of sustainable materials. Like the furniture, I would like to use wooden. Of course, in many cases, I am unable to do that because the affordability, and also this is a rental home. And the other things like using jute, and the fabrics that I like to use are all cotton, linen. So that's basically the kind of style that I like my home to be. So in today's video, as I take you along my bedroom today, I will be showing you how I have planned the layout of the room, what are the colors I have chosen, and it's a sneak peek into my personal space. I hope you guys enjoy this video and leave me a comment once you've seen it. So let's begin the video now. Welcome to my Hygge, a little minimal, a little bit of farmhouse, a little bit of boho bedroom. It's a rental apartment, and the first thing that I did when I was designing this room was to add this vinyl flooring. It's pretty inexpensive and can be removed when you are leaving. So this was one of the reasons why I did it, was because I was expecting a baby and I did not want a hard floor for him to crawl on, or as a toddler. So this was the first thing I did. I haven't changed the paint or anything. I'll show you things as we go along. So as you enter the room, as we enter the room, we have these wardrobes. They're in a wooden finish and it is sufficient for us actually. I also have some space above, but as I said, it's a rental and a permanent structure was not possible, so we haven't built a loft. Thus you can see that ice box there. In front of the bed, I have a big dresser. It's a huge chest of drawers. Now you'll be wondering, why do we have two mirrors here? So the chest of drawers actually serves as a dresser and a lot of storage for us, and I wanted this beautifully carved mirror. This is again from my store Fulcrum, but my husband was very particular that he wanted a tall mirror. So yeah, I have two mirrors in the room, but it works very well because it reflects a lot of light into the room. So yeah, this is practically all the furniture I have in the room. Now the color theme of my room is, so I haven't changed the paint of the room. This is whatever the owner had given us, and I also wanted my room to be very, very neutral colors. I love neutral colors, as you can see all through my house. But I did want to add a dash of color. So the first thing that we did was to pick out the bed. Now the big bed has fabric. So this is a nice tufted bed, and the color is a top color. I wanted to keep everything in the same beige. A little boring, no? But so beige and white kind of shades. So I use that all the time on my bedspreads. You'll see the same color scheme going in my So what I've done here is the colors. I have just added a little color on the duvet. This is a beautiful duvet. I love stripes and organic cotton, you know, bedding. So that's one. And I found one which had these really nice blue lines. So I reflected that a little in the cushions. And funnily, the books that I'm reading right now also happen to have a little bit of blue. And what I did was I'll just go ahead and show you the accessories in a bit. And just a small little thing that I did in this rental home, of course, is to add this really pretty arch. I'm in love with these arches, which you see right now. It's a very big trend. So I added a blue arch. I just painted it myself. And this adds that little blue touch to the room, which kind of gets reflected. And I love that. Very pale, very subtle, but yeah, that's the blue arch. With the accessories for the room, I did not want to drill too many holes. So I got this ledge put up. Again, this ledge is removable. So, and I've added these really pretty frames of flowers. They're in blue, of course, pale blue. And I have some other frames which are these, this entire artwork I've picked up from a website called Etsy. So they have downloadable art. If you're any of you is looking for something like that, you can definitely check it out. And of course, my another favorite color, which is gray, that comes through in my bed cover. So I wanted this really long lumber pillow here, and that's in gray. And so we did want to reflect the bed color on our blinds on the windows. And the curtains that I've hung them from the ceiling, and they also have that lovely gray patch. They're made of these jacquard fabric. They look beautiful when the light kind of, passes through. So I did want to have a little boho elements in the room, and that's why I had this boring little lamp. And so what I did was to add this rattan to the shade and some lace, and it really looks smart and boho. And of course, the frame on the mirror also is very bohemian. And I've added a planter here. Now this, guys, I do keep taking out depending on what stage my child is in. I have this lovely basket, but I've added a white lace to it. Again, looking very boho and very country. I hope this was something that you liked watching. Of course, my house is not like my interior projects. It's very different. But I would love to hear what you have to say about it. What are your thoughts, and did you enjoy seeing this video or not? So we do have 2 or 3 more videos in the same series where I will be taking you through different parts of my house and showing you a little bit about my style, my home, my choices, and you'll get to know me a little bit more. So do stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, share this video with people who you think would enjoy this. And a lot of the products that you see in this room particularly are from Fulcrum. But I did pick up a few things from different places because obviously, it gives you a lot more exposure and variety. And I will try and link them in the description box for you. Many of them are from Pune, so obviously if you are in Pune, you can visit these stores. If you are out of Pune, you can try and see if they are available on the website of these companies, and you can have them at your homes. So
I am so happy to make you a part of my life and my home. And till I see you next time, happy living.